In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a blog post with Jasper AI. We'll start right from the Jasper homepage and go all the way to generating a full draft from a solid outline, keeping the process simple and repeatable. First, open the Jasper app and make sure you're on the home view. If you've been exploring other tools, clicking home on the left sidebar is a quick way to reset your workspace so everything you need is front and center. Next, find the Ask Anything box. This is Jasper's conversational command center. Clicking into it tells Jasper you're ready to give a clear instruction, and clarity is key to great results. Type your prompt. A good prompt sets topic, format, and audience. For this example, we'll use the exact wording recommended in this walkthrough so you can see the process end to end. Type. Create a blog outline for how to invest in real estate for beginners. You can always swap in your own topic later, but keeping this phrasing helps Jasper understand you want an outline, not a finished article, and that it should be written for newcomers. Send the prompt by clicking the send button or simply pressing enter. Jasper will think for a moment and return a structured outline with headings and subpoints. Skim it for coverage and flow. Look for a logical introduction, a sequence that moves from basics to action, and a conclusion or next steps. Small wording quirks are fine at this stage. What matters is the structure. When you see an outline you like, click Use to keep it. That moves the selected outline into your workspace so it becomes the blueprint for the draft. Now click Generate Now. Jasper will expand each section into paragraphs that match the outline. As it writes, watch how the headings guide the depth and pacing. Strong headings lead to strong sections, which is why starting with the outline is so effective. That's the full pass. Home, Ask Anything, type the outline prompt, send it, choose use, and generate now. With these simple actions, you've gone from a blank page to a coherent blog draft in minutes. For other topics or audiences, reuse the same approach, and the core workflow remains the same. Try this today with a topic you care about, and enjoy how much faster it feels to blog with Jasper.